Most people are not aware of the processes involving repairing damaged metal body panels on their vehicles. You might envision filling the damaged area with body filler, smoothing it out, and painting it. However, in order to provide a quality repair, the metal needs to be reformed back to its original shape, using as little filler as possible. Let's walk through the proper repair process on this Hyundai Elantras quarter panel. The first step is to evaluate the feasibility of a quality repair versus the replacement of the whole panel. This vehicle has repairable damage on the right rear quarter panel. However, the damage on the right front fender is significant enough to warrant replacement. For this video, we'll focus on the rear quarter panel. The technician will remove all of the adjacent components to access the repair area. This is also necessary for the refinish operation, allowing the paint to be sprayed into all the cavities around the repair area. Some repair shops will simply mask these components, leaving a hard paint edge where the clear coat can start to peel. Then, an abrasive disc is used to remove the existing paint, providing a rough surface where the body filler can adhere. After disconnecting the battery and disabling the airbag system, a resistance welder with a dent puller attachment is used to pull the panel into its pre-accident shape. Here, special care is used to recreate the body lines in the panel. A body hammer is used in conjunction with the dent puller to tap the panel and relieve internal stresses in the metal. Once the panel has been shaped with the puller, the technician will then apply a thin layer of body filler. After it's dried, the filler is then shaped to match the contour lines of the panel. Several thin layers may be required to get the body lines back to their original shape. A black guide coat is then applied towards the end of the filler process. This helps the technician find any low spots or imperfections in the filler layer as they sand. Once the final sanding is complete, a pinhole filler is rubbed over the repair area, filling in any small imperfections on the surface. The technician then masks off the adjacent areas to prepare for priming. Then, primer is applied to give the final paint a surface to adhere. After a light final sanding, the vehicle is unmasked and taken to the paint department. There, the panels are prepped with a scuff pad and wiped down with prep solution. A technician will then mask all adjacent panels, taking special care to plug all holes and seal all the door jambs. Once the vehicle is masked and cleaned, it rolls into the paint booth. Here, the painter wipes the repair area down with a tack cloth while spraying it with air to remove any dust. In this repair, the right doors are blended to ensure a quality color match. After painting, the vehicle is baked in the paint booth to ensure proper curing of the clear coat. The vehicle is then carefully unmasked and returned to the body technician for reassembly. Once the vehicle is thoroughly cleaned by the detail department, it goes through a final quality check before being returned to the customer. ARS Automotive stands behind all of our repairs with a lifetime workmanship warranty. We take every step to ensure that your vehicle is restored to pre-accident condition, leaving you with a quality repair that looks like the damage never even happened.